This is your digital insurance verification platform buying guide. These are 10 features that separate platforms that actually protect you from uninsured liability versus platforms that just collect PDFs and then hope nothing changes. My name is Austin Myers. Let's go. So what's a digital insurance verification platform? Well, it automates the collection, validation, and real-time monitoring of vendor COIs. It's built for procurement, supply chain, risk, and property management teams who need to know if coverage is actually valid, not just whether a document exists on file. So here are the 10 most important features for a digital insurance verification platform. Feature 1 of a digital insurance verification platform is it only accepts agent-submitted insurance documents. Never go with a platform that accepts insurance directly from vendors and suppliers. Insurance fraud is on the rise, as creating a fake certificate of insurance takes 10 seconds or less. So these tools are prone to bring in and accept fraudulent COIs without you or your team ever knowing. Feature 2 of a digital insurance verification platform is that extensive COI fraud prevention mechanisms exist. A good platform will triple check the source of a COI, verify the insurance agency, and then call them up if necessary. Feature 3, and this is where a capable digital insurance verification platform separates itself from the pack. It detects midterm policy cancellations immediately. So if a supplier submits their insurance certificate, cancels the policy after onboarding, then gets into an accident, you have no coverage and you're liable. The right tool catches this the moment it happens and notifies you immediately. Feature 4. Related to that, a strong platform detects other important midterm policy changes. So a supplier submits their certificate with a $2 million auto liability limit, then quietly reduces it to $1 million after onboarding. Your requirement is $2 million. You're now exposed and you don't know it. Strong verification platforms will catch this and notify you of those changes along with the data. Feature 5, schedule level insurance tracking. So vehicle VINs, construction equipment like cranes and covered locations, property schedules. Just because a vendor has an auto liability policy doesn't mean the vehicle that just arrived at your job site is on the policy. Uninsured equipment must not get in, even if it looks like the insurance policy has it. Feature 6, a strong platform handles more than just certificates of insurance. It also processes endorsements, policy exclusions, and carrier information like AM Best ratings. Feature 7, and this is where the right tool makes or breaks your team's day-to-day. It cuts back and forth with vendors dramatically. The biggest time suck in COI compliance is explaining insurance to a confused vendor. A good platform handles that communication, so your team doesn't have to. Feature 8 of a digital insurance verification platform. It centralizes all insurance data and processes it in one place. No spreadsheets, no shared drives, or hunting through email threads for approvals and statuses. Feature 9. A strong platform has an interface your team will actually use. Everybody hates dealing with insurance tracking tools because most of them, they're a pain to navigate. And if the tool creates friction, your team works around it and not in it. And then compliance gaps follow. Feature 10 of a digital insurance verification platform. A full audit-ready trail of all compliance-related actions. Every request, update, and communication must be documented and accessible, easily accessible. If you ever need to demonstrate due diligence, a great platform surfaces all of this on the fly. So what digital insurance verification platform fits the bill and is the best for managing your supplier's COIs? Well, there are several great tools on the market. When it comes to real-time policy monitoring, the only platform that actually offers it is Certificial. Because Certificial is the only platform with patented smart COI technology, they're the only sole digital insurance verification platform that can detect changes to a supplier's insurance policies right away. Live insurance data flows into your account straight from the source of truth, the insurance agent's management system, where policies live and all of the data right from the source of truth. Here's the clearest way to understand what separates Certificial from every other digital insurance verification platform on the market. Think of the others like managing your finances with quarterly bank statements that get mailed to your home. You only get these pieces of paper every once in a while that are outdated by the time you get them. Certificial is like having a banking app directly on your phone. You get notified of changes. You can view it anytime with live information on what the actual data is, the actual truth on that bank statement, that bank account at any time, 365 days a year. So live tracking at any point on demand against that data. So here's what real-time monitoring looks like in practice. If a vendor cancels their insurance policy, Certificial notifies you immediately. If they make changes to the amount or limit or it renews, any change happens, you're also notified immediately. If a vehicle VIN gets removed from an auto policy, Certificial notifies you immediately, so you know at any point in time whether the coverage that's in effect meets your requirements, and any change notifies you immediately instead of you having to chase or find out after an accident. Certificial only accepts insurance provided by verified insurance agents and brokers, and also has extensive COI fraud prevention mechanisms in place. So in conclusion, when evaluating any digital insurance verification platform, run it against these 10 features. Most tools on the market pass features 7 through 10, the usability and workflow ones, but almost none pass the features 1 through 6, because those require connecting directly to insurance policy data, not just collecting PDFs. Certificial is the only digital insurance verification platform that passes all 10. If you want to see a digital insurance verification platform that meets all 10 of these criteria, the demo link for Certificial is in the description below.